Welcome to today's video. Do you ever feel stressed and sore after a hard day's work? I know I do, especially after I had my back surgery. I had a lot of pain with my nerves and muscles. I want to share a recipe with you on how to make some homemade bath bombs that might get you some relief. To make these bath bombs, you will need some basic ingredients that you can find in your kitchen or at your local store. You will need 2 teaspoons of almond oil, 1 1/4 cup of baking soda. This makes the bath bombs bubbly. Half cup of citric acid. This is what reacts with the baking soda to make the bath bombs fizzle. Use 3 vanilla pods to help add some natural scent to the bath bombs. To enhance the vanilla aroma, add 10 to 15 drops of vanilla essential oil. Now that you have all the ingredients, let's get started with the fun part of making the bath bombs. Begin by scraping out the 3 vanilla pods. Be careful not to cut yourself. Next, add the 1 1/4 cup of baking soda to the bowl. Now add the half cup of citric acid to the baking soda. Now that you have combined your baking soda and citric acid, mix them together well. Once your dry ingredients are mixed well, then it's time to add in the wet ingredients. Start with the 2 teaspoons of almond oil, then add in the 3 vanilla pods, and last but not least, add in the 10 to 15 drops of vanilla essential oils. Finally, mix both the wet and dry ingredients together thoroughly, paying attention to make sure everything gets combined well. Now it's time for the fun part, to make the bath bombs. The first thing you want to do is take 1/2 of your mold and put some material in it. Make sure to pack it tight. Then repeat the process with the other half of the mold. Before forming the bath bomb, be sure to put a little bit of loose material on both parts of the mold. Then press the mold together and bada boom bada bing, you have your first bath bomb. Once you have removed the bath bomb from the mold, place it on a drying rack and let it sit for 24 to 48 hours. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope that this recipe helps get you some relief from your nerve and muscle pain. Remember to click that subscribe button for more videos like this.